Mastering Months, the Marvelous May. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our new lesson where we are diving into the world of months and how to use them in English. Today's star of the show is May. Yes, that's right. We're going to learn all about the fifth month of the year, May. Get ready to explore the wonders of this month. May, spelled M-A-Y, is the fifth month of the year in both the Julian and Gregorian calendars, the two most widely used calendar systems in the world. It comes after April and before June, and it is one of 7 months in the calendar that has 31 days. When you're talking about this month, you might say something like, "I was born in May," or "May is usually a warm month." You could also use it to plan future events, like, the conference is in May. Remember, when referring to the month in a sentence, May is always capitalized. Here's a fun fact. May is not just a month, it's also a modal verb in English. As a verb, may is used to express possibility or permission. For instance, may I go to the restroom? Or, I may visit my grandmother next weekend. But don't confuse the two. Whether may is a month or a verb depends on the context of the sentence. Do you know why this month is called May? It's believed to be named after Maya, the Greek goddess of fertility. May is often associated with spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere, making it a time of blossoming flowers or falling leaves, depending on where you are in the world. Well, that's it for our exploration of the month of May. Now you know how to use may in your conversations, both as a month and as a verb. And remember, every month has its unique history and context in the English language. Keep learning, keep growing, and you'll master all the months in no time. Happy learning and see you in our next video.